मडगाव रेल्वे स्टेशनावेली 31 ऑक्टोबर 2017ची CCTV फुटेज पळयात। आपल्या फॅमिली बरोबर न्हिदिल्ल्या 3 वर्सांचे चलये कुशीक न्हिदून भिकाऱ्यान ताचेर पयली चादर घाली। मागीर थंयच्यान उठून हे वटेन ते वटेन भोंवन अदमास घेवन चलयेक उखलून घेवन मुंबयच्या ट्रेनीत गेलो। पुलिसांचे टिमीन 2 फावट मुंबय वचून थंयच्या पुलिसांक बरोबर घेवन 1.5 म्हयनो त्या भिकाऱ्याचो सोद घेतलो, पूण तो सांपडलो ना। शेनवारा 8 सप्टेंबराक पुलिसांक तो भिकारी मंगलोर रेल्वे स्टेशनार आसा म्हूण म्हायती मेळ्ळी। आयतारा पुलिसांनी मंगलोराक वचून त्या भिकाऱ्याक ताब्यांत घेतलो। ताणें गुन्यांव कबूल केला। चली खंय भोपाळ मध्य प्रदेशात चिल्ड्रन्स होमात आसा।
Age about 35 years. Then he was placed under arrest. He confessed his crime. He confessed that in the intervening night between 31st October and the 1st November, he had committed that kidnapping of the minor girl, and he had taken her to Mumbai. When that offence had taken place, a joint police team of Goa police as well as the RPF was sent at Mumbai. They had gone through the CCTV footage of various railway stations, and they had found the presence of this accused in the CCTV footage up to Bandra. Near Bandra, all the area were such, but he was not found at that time, and thereafter further whereabout was not known. And on interrogation, he revealed that from Bandra he had taken that girl to Surat, and from Surat he had gone to Bhopal. And at Bhopal railway station, he was begging and keeping this minor girl with him. Thereafter, one day when GRP police of Bhopal, they noticed the girl along with this person. They had it out and they interrogated. Then he was telling that no, she is my daughter and all those. Anyhow, he could not prove anything. And later on, by the Bhopal police, this girl was kept into children's home. And based on his information, we have verified through Bhopal police also, and they have also mentioned that yes, the girl was kept at children's home and she is safe.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील।